How to create business letter on Word app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a business letter on Word. So first thing, go to the Word app. This is the home page as you can see. Now go to the top corner right here and click on this plus icon and it will take you to this page. Now go down until the end and click on this business letter option. Click on it, and now as you can see here, you can change everything by editing it. And after you finish, click on those three dots and choose save. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.